Hi guys, this is Ms. Mendoza. Welcome to digital lesson number 28. Today we're going to be reviewing adding and subtracting decimals, and just to let you know, we have about 2 weeks of school left. So during these last 2 weeks, all we're going to be doing is reviewing. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. Materials needed for this lesson are going to be 2 sheets of paper and a pencil. Learning objective. Today I will add and subtract decimals to solve problems. These are some key words that are associated with subtraction: difference, how many more, less, fewer, remaining, and left. Remember, you can use these words if you're stuck in a problem. These words are a good indication of what to do. These are some addition buzzwords: sum, total, combined, in all, together, and increase. Okay, it's time to review how to add and subtract decimals. During this part of the lesson, all you have to do is watch and listen as I review the scale. Okay, let's go ahead and begin. Practice number 1. Cindy has 2 cats. Her first cat weighs 12 and 6/10 pounds. Her second cat weighs 7 and 3,200 pounds. What is the difference between the weight of the 2 cats? Okay, so this problem is asking me to find the difference. Difference means to subtract, so I have to find the difference between the weight of both of her cats. I know her first cat weighs 12 and 6/10 pounds. Her second cat weighs 7 and 3,200 pounds, and I'm going to highlight my keyword, which is difference. So my plan here is to subtract. I'm going to go ahead and subtract my decimals. Remember that when you subtract decimals, it is very important for you to align them according to the decimal point. 12 and 6/10 minus 7 and 3,200 would be 5 and 2800. That would be D. Okay, let's go ahead and go to practice number 2. Gene went to a candy store and bought candies. He bought 3 and 4,500 pounds of chocolate, 5 and 9/10 pounds of sour punch, and 2 and 7,800 pounds of gummy bears. How many total pounds of candies did Gene buy? Okay, so if I look at this problem, I see that it's asking me to find the total pounds of candies that he bought. Total means to add. I know he bought 3 and 4,500 pounds of chocolate, 5 and 9/10 pounds of sour punch, and 2 and 7,800 pounds of gummy bears. And I'm going to highlight my keyword there, which is total. My plan here is to add, so I'm going to go ahead and add up all those pounds that he bought. Once again, remember when you find the sum or when you add to line up your decimal points. So 3 and 4,500 plus 5 and 9/10 plus 2 and 7,800 would be 12 and 1,300 B. Okay, let's go ahead and go to practice number 3. Ociel had a $20 bill to spend at the movie theater. He bought a box of candy that cost $3.99 and a soda that cost $2.68. How much money did Ociel have left? Okay, so if I look at this, I know that he began with a $20 bill. He bought a box of candy that cost $3.99 and a soda that cost $2.68. I know when you buy something, you're going to have less money. What I'm going to do first, though, I'm going to find out how much he spent. So I'm going to add up the $3.99 that he bought on the candy and the $2.68 that he spent on the soda. Whatever I get, I'm going to subtract that from the $20 bill. So my plan here is going to be to add and then subtract. Okay, so let's go ahead and work through our plan. I'm going to add up the $2.68 plus the $3.99, and that would be $6.67. I'm going to go ahead and take those $6.67 and subtract them from the $20. Okay, so the correct answer would be B, $13.37. Okay, let's go ahead and go to practice number 4. On Monday, Rodrigo played soccer for 45 and 6/10 minutes. On Wednesday, he played soccer for 32 and 7,500 minutes. What is the combined number of minutes that Rodrigo played soccer? Okay, so it's asking me to find the combined number of minutes that he played soccer. So I know combined means to add. So I know that on Monday he played soccer for 45 and 6/10 minutes. On Wednesday he played soccer for 32 and 7,500 minutes. So my plan here is going to be to add. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and add these two. Remember to always line up your decimal points when you're adding or subtracting decimals. Okay, so 45 and 6/10 plus 32 and 7,500 would be 78 and 3,500. The correct answer there would be D. Okay, DOL time. Students, it is now time to complete your DOL. Put your name, date, and title on the paper and number your papers 1 through 8. And please remember that if you ever need more time on a problem, just hit the pause button. Okay, I'm going to give you about 30 seconds to get your paper ready. Okay, let's go ahead and begin. Question number 1. On Monday, Kimberly rode her bike for 5 and 8/10 miles. On Tuesday, she rode her bike for 12 and 4/10 miles. What is the total number of miles Kimberly rode her bike on Monday and Tuesday? Okay, I'm going to give you about 45 seconds to solve this problem. Okay, let's go ahead and go to question number 2. Carol had a bag with 16 and 5/10 cup of flour. She used 7 and 3/8 cups of flour to bake a cake. How many cups of flour does Carol have left? Okay, I'm going to give you about 45 seconds to solve this problem. Okay, let's go ahead and go to question number 3. Ruby had a $20 bill to spend at a bookstore. She bought a chapter book for $7.95 and a journal for $3.50. How much money does Ruby have left? I'm going to give you about 45 seconds to solve this problem. Okay, question number 4. On Monday, Evelyn read a book for 32 and 76 minutes. On Friday, she read a book for 8 and 92 minutes. What is the combined number of minutes Evelyn read the book? Okay, I'm going to give you about 45 seconds to solve this problem. Okay, let's go ahead and go to question number 5. Question number 5. Alan and Jose kept track of the number of minutes they played video games. Alan played video games for 36 and 5,900 minutes. Jose played video games for 16 and 3,200 minutes. What is the difference between the number of minutes Alan and Jose played video games? You have about 45 seconds to answer this problem. Okay, let's go to question number 6. It took Angel 78 and 5/10 minutes to complete his math videos for the week. It took Jesse 64 and 92 minutes to complete his math videos. What is the difference between the time it took Angel and Jesse to complete their math videos for the week? You have about 45 seconds to answer this question. Okay, let's go to question number 7. Gene had a roll with 16 and 7,500 feet of yarn. He used 3 and 9,200 feet of yarn for an art project. How many feet of yarn does Gene have left? You have about 45 seconds to solve this problem. Okay, question number 8. Valeria bought 2 packages of art pencils that cost $3.65 each and a sketch pad that cost $7.26. What is the total amount that Valeria paid for the art pencils and sketch pad? You have about 45 seconds to solve this problem. Okay, guys, congratulations. You have now completed digital lesson number 31. Please be sure to send me a picture of your DOL. And just to let you know, I am going to be mailing out end of year certificates based on the how hard you've been working while being at home. So just keep on working hard, and until the next lesson, bye.